Hola chicos! Today you are going to be learning about our last new thing for Spanish 2, which is going to be direct object pronouns or complementos directos. You will need a sheet of paper to take notes from this PowerPoint. At the end of the PowerPoint, you will submit a picture, a photo of your notes as evidence of doing the work. A direct object is who or what receives the action of the verb. Who or what is a direct object in this sentence? Mi hermano compra un coche. So what is it that is being bought in this sentence? Bravo, un coche. A practicar. On your sheet of paper, write down the direct objects of the following sentences. Yo conozco al señor Mroshinsky. So who is it that I know in this sentence? Sí, señor Mroshinsky. Yo veo a mis amigos. Who is it that I see? Perfecto, mis amigos. Número 3. Yo quiero zapatos nuevos. What is it that I want? Exacto, zapatos nuevos. Número 4. El restaurante sirve pizza de queso. What is it that the restaurant serves? Bravo. Pizza de queso would be the direct object of this sentence. Direct object pronouns replace the direct objects in a sentence. They are always written before the conjugated verb in Spanish. Please make sure that you copy this chart of the complementos directos into your notes. Me means me. Te means you. Lo is used to replace it or him. La refers to it or her. Nos refers to us. Os refers to y'all. Los refers to them, as in a masculine group of things or a mixed group of things. So it could be a group of guys and girls, or it could be as if you were talking about like el libro and la manzana. And then las would refer to them, and then it would be a group of either girls or a group of feminine nouns. For example, yo leo los libros. I read the books. Yo los leo, I read them. So the books are the things that are being read, and then that's what we would need to substitute the los for. Yo veo la chica. I see the girl. What is it that I see? I see the girl. The girl is feminine. La chica is feminine. So I would replace la chica with the pronoun la. Él vende pizzas. He sells pizzas. What is it that he's selling? He's selling pizzas. Las pizzas is a feminine and plural word, so we would use las to replace it, right? He sells them. On your sheet of paper, write the correct direct object pronoun for the words below. For example, if I had the word lápiz, I would write lo. For number 5, what direct object pronoun from the chart would I use to replace la clase de español? Correct, la. What direct object pronoun would I use from the chart to replace mi hermano or he? Perfecto, lo, you would use lo. Número 7, los libros, or they or them. You would replace that with los. What would we replace, número 8, what would we replace nosotros with? Nos, perfecto. Número 9, which of the pronouns in the chart would we replace la señora Dietrich with? la. Bravo. And then número 10, el examen. Which of the pronouns in our chart would we use to replace el examen or it? Muy bien, lo. Rewrite the following sentences using direct object pronouns. Número 1. Yo no necesito los libros. So what is it in this sentence that I'm needing? I'm needing the books. And so if we look at our chart, which of the pronouns would we replace los libros with? And don't forget that we would write that pronoun right before our conjugated verb. The sentence would be, yo no los necesito. Número 2. Nosotros vemos a la chica muy bonita. Who is it that we are seeing in this sentence? We are seeing la chica. Which of our pronouns would we replace la chica muy bonita with? Again, don't forget to write that pronoun before your conjugated verb. Nosotros la vemos. With this example, note that we even replaced and got rid of muy bonita, right? We're talking about la chica, she just happens to be muy bonita, but that la replaces all of that. Número 3. Lola siempre dice la verdad. What is it that Lola is always saying? Yep, la verdad. So which of our pronouns would we replace la verdad with? Please remember to write it before your conjugated verb. Lola siempre la dice. La verdad is feminine, so we have to choose the pronoun la. Please note that siempre doesn't move and that the pronoun is still placed right before the conjugated verb dice. Yo quiero practicar español. What is it that I want to practice? Español. Which of our pronouns would I use to replace español with? Don't forget, we need to write it before our conjugated verb in this sentence. Be careful, this sentence has a verb phrase. Yo lo quiero practicar. So in this sentence, we have a verb phrase, but we still have to write our pronoun in front of the conjugated verb. And in this case, quiero is our conjugated verb, so the lo goes before the conjugated verb. Okay, what questions do you have for me? If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or send me a message through Seesaw. And remember to upload your picture as notes of evidence, and then you have a little bit of homework that you will do for class today. Adios, chicos.